Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Junior.
And I'm Senior.
And today we're going to be installing a portable phone charger in our Mercedes Benz C300.
So I picked up this Sig Hill wireless charger off Amazon. It's a fairly cheap one. It was about $100. There was a couple others that are also a little bit cheaper that did not come with the USB ports. And if that better suits your needs, if you don't need the USB ports, because the Mercedes usually has a couple USB ports inside the center console. I don't want to run wires in there, and it looks just a lot cleaner. Just have a wireless charger installed. But these are fairly universal. I mean, even in the box they show they're for about 15 different models of Mercedes. So I would link it in the description, but I'm not sure if it's still available. So, you know, everything's ever changing. There are other models out there, but a lot of them are pricier, upwards of $150, $200 for wireless chargers. So I thought this was a pretty good deal for what you were getting. But yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Here. Pretty nice package.
Yeah. See this? This up. And here we go. On charge.
Now we picked out the one that has a regular USB and a C port USB. It also has an on-off switch, which we will probably just leave on
All the time.
since I believe the car turns off the cigarette lighter when you turn off the car anyways.
Yeah, which we really don't need.
So first,
And then you would see a
you
little,
want to pop open where the cup holder is.
and you see a button right here.
And
You
there's
push that up,
that unlocks the cup holders.
Yep.
You simply pop that out.
and then you can grab
What is that?
the cigarette lighter.
Let's pull straight back.
And, oh, there you go. Got the cigarette lighter. Then we can grab this. Take that out. You guys, so you know how this is like that. It's a really simple process. You just have to fit enough room so you can push this in with your fingers. So
Now we will start the car. She is on. Take the phone, set it there, and bam, we are charging. Our wireless charger and 2 extra ports. One's a regular USB and one's a C port.
you could or couldn't put your cup holder back in. So let's do that. Just lock it back in place and grab a phone. And still have all the room you need for your drinks or snacks.
Awesome. What's a good outro?
That's how you do it.
That's your outro?
I don't know what an outro is. I'll charge you next time. Don't put that in there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. God bless you all, and see ya.